Okay, this is my third and final video that I promised you that I was going to do. The top 3 places to visit in the 757 if you are a nature lover. The first one was Grandview Nature Preserve in Hampton. The second one was First Landing Park in Virginia Beach, which is off of 64th Street. And this is the last one. This is Nolan Park Trail in Newport News. It's an amazing, amazing place. Make sure you check this out. And the other 2, I have those links in my video. But yes, this is the third one, and as you can see, it's just a gorgeous place.